fabulous four-figured freak here, guys. And today, I'm going to show you something special. I'm going to show you my personal comic book collection, guys. Here it is. I got a shitload of stuff I've been collecting for many, many years. I got a lot of Punishers, as you know. The Savage Shores of Conan, Full Run, Spidey, Green Lantern, Bone Aliens, you name it, Wolverine, the Freak. It's got a lot of stuff. And as you can see right here, front and center, my Punisher limited series collection signed by Mike Zeck. They're awesome. So today, I decided that I'm gonna show you my top 50 best Punisher covers from the first miniseries, oh yeah baby, to the end of the Garth Ennis and Steve Dillon Punisher Max series. Alright guys, so no Amazing Spider-Man 129, no recent Punishers, and no, my number one cover is not the one that you think. So stay tuned, stay thirsty for Pepsi, baby. Number 50. Punisher Warzone, number 9, cover by Mike Manley. Now, I love this cover because the Punisher is in real trouble. As you can see, he's getting garroted, and you can see that his hand is bleeding out. He's in danger, which is something that you don't usually see on a Punisher cover. So, beautiful art. Number 49. Punisher Warzone, number 23, part of the Suicide Run classic storyline by Michael Golden. Guys, what can I say about this? Beautiful artwork. The Punisher's falling off a building through a window. Reminds me of the classic scene in Matrix with Trinity. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Number 48. Punisher, number 1, by Tom Lyle. That's right. You can see the Punisher's in real trouble. He's in the electric chair. He's gonna die. So that's something that's unique, never been seen before or after. I truly, honestly believe that Tom Lyle is the most underrated Punisher artist of all time. And guys, I'm not saying he's the best of all time. I'm saying he's the most underrated. I urge you to check that series out again. It's very good. Not the best, but very good, very underrated. Number 47. Punisher Warzone, number 34, by Joe Kubert, legendary artist Joe Kubert. Now, I love it. I love the 3D effect with the Kremlin in the back. Classic artwork by Joe Kubert. What else can I say? Number 46. Punisher 48 by Hugh Haynes. Again, Punisher's in trouble. At the receiving end of a giant cannon. That's funny and crazy at the same time. Beautiful artwork. Hugh Haynes' best cover. Number 45. Punisher, number 76, cover by Derek Robertson. Now, Derek Robertson is one of those artists that has been totally forgotten, unfortunately. But you look at this cover, beautiful, beautiful. Guys, I challenge you to name me one other Punisher cover where it rains. Now, that might seem like nothing, but look at this artwork. The rain falling down, the lightning behind the Punisher, and, the raindrops hitting him on the head and the shoulders, the smoking gun. It's just beautiful, beautiful artwork. Number 44. Punisher Warzone 12 by McCone. Now, This was part of that storyline, that weird storyline in Warzone where the Punisher was being brainwashed and he thought he was back, living a normal family life. And it was a very, very surprising storyline, totally unexpected. And that's what I love about Discover. You see him with Maria and the kids watching TV, just like an average family, with that ominous Punisher skull behind them. Now that's shocking and pretty cool artwork too. Number 43. Punisher Warzone 13 by McCone again. What else can I say that I haven't said it already, man? Frank Castle living the normal life, cutting his grass, white picket fence, just a normal life with that ominous Punisher skull in the grass. That catches your eye. That's pretty cool, man. Number 42. Punisher War Journal number 11 by legendary Jim Lee. Now, clean, crisp, simple, classic Jim Lee artwork. Very nice, very, very nice. I love it. Number 41. Punisher, number 90, by Elman Brown. Great cover of Punisher coming out of the ocean, scuba gear, and with the Punisher skull in the water. That's totally original. And hey, what else can I say, man? Great cover. Number 40. Punisher 91 by Elman Brown again. Now, Elman Brown hit it out of the ballpark twice in a row. And guys, look at this cover, Punisher hiding in the jungle. I love the fact that his eyes have this little Punisher logo in them. Very menacing. Great, great, great stuff by Elman Brown. Number 39. Punisher Max 53 and the first of 6 Tim Bradstreet covers. Simple, clean, effective. That's the way I like it, baby. Number 38. Punisher War Journal number 31 by Joe Jusko. I love it. I love it. I love all Joe Jusko pieces. By the way, he's my favorite artist. But in this case, it's very, very rare that we see the Punisher doing some kind of mission in the snow and all that. So that's original. Beautiful colors by Joe Jusko as usual. What can I say, huh? He's the man. Number 37. Punisher 38 by Bill Reinhold. What a classic cover. Guys, Jigsaw's back. And I love the Punisher's call with the jigsaw pattern in it. Simple, clean, effective again. Number 36. Punisher War Journal 69 by Elman Brown. Now this cover is original because you see the Punisher's reflection in the bad guy's glasses, and it's something that you very rarely see. It's part of the Pariah storyline, which was pretty cool. So, hey, it's in my list. Cool cover. Number 35. Punisher 65 by Doug Brathwaite. Oh yeah, baby. Rapido, classic character. So you can see Rapido with his smoking mini chain gun and holding the Punisher's Kevlar vest full of holes. I mean, I love this cover, man. Great artwork. Number 34. Punisher Warzone 37 by Mark Texera. Raw, effective. You know, Punisher finally gets a dog, and his dog was Max. Great cover. Very raw. Number 33. Punisher Wars Journal number 26 by Michael Golden. The Scuba Dying Lessons. This was actually one of my first Punishers that I bought way back when. Awesome cover. And again, very rare that you're going to see the Punisher doing some kind of underwater mission. But here it is. And hey, one of Michael Golden's best for sure. Number 32. Punisher 68 by Doug Brathwaite. Punisher goes against Tarantula. And guys, in my mind, every time I see this cover, I think of Amazing Spider-Man 134. It does look alike, right? And in my mind, it is Doug Brathwaite's homage to Amazing Spider-Man 134. Tell me what you think. Number 31. Empty Quarter by Bill Reinhold. Holy shit, guys. What can I say? Definitely Bill Reinhold's finest piece. And the first time that I saw that comic, that I bought it off the shelf, I thought at first sight that it was a Joe Jusko piece. Boy, oh boy. Fantastic. Number 30. Punisher 57 Jim Lee cover. The fact that it's like a wanted Dead or Alive poster with Frank's height, weight, kill count, everything else, like a rap sheet, is super cool and very original. Number 29. Punisher magazine number 8, covered by Joe Jusko. Again, the man, Joe Jusko. Look at this beautiful cover. And very original piece. Top 50 material, baby. Number 28. Punisher Intruder by Bill Reinhold. Now, Bill Reinhold, on this cover, has really outdone himself. Look at this. This is near Joe Jusko level. So, props to Bill Reinhold. Your best piece ever. Number 27. Punisher 17 by Tom Lyle. Yeah, baby. Again, like I said before, Tom Lyle, most underrated Punisher artist of all time. Now look at this cover. Obviously an homage to Superman number 75, Death of Superman. And great piece. Great piece. Yeah, the Freak's 27th overall best Punisher cover, baby. Number 26. Punisher War Journal 75 by Mark Texera. Lynn Michaels cover. Homage to Punisher miniseries number 3. That much is obvious. And I really honestly think that Mark Texera surpassed himself on this one. The way he drew Lynn Michaels is awesome. She looks great. I want to have sex with her, actually. You know what I mean, guys? Number 25. Punisher 57 by Elliot Brown. First of 2 Elliot Brown covers, and the first of 2 photo covers. That's right. And this one is actually quite hard to get because the photo cover was the newsstand edition, whereas the Jim Lee Wanted poster cover, that was the direct edition. And if you can get your hands on it, grab it. It took me a long, long time to find this, actually, and it's truly something special. Number 24. Spinning Doomsday's Web by Earl Norm. He's one of the all-time greats for Savage Sword of Conan covers, no doubt about it. And it's his best Punisher cover of all time. So props to him. What can I say? Classic Earl Norm stuff. Number 23. Punisher War Journal 36 by Elliot Brown. The second of two photo covers. And this one, guys, is crazy good. You see the wedding cake. You see all the bodies laying on the cake. You see the blood at the bottom that's shaped like the Punisher skull. It's just awesome, man. Awesome stuff. And truly, unique. Number 22. Punisher Armory number 3 by Joe Jusko. Definitely the best Punisher Armory cover of all time. And the only Joe Jusko Armory cover. Classic Joe Jusko stuff. I love it. Number 21. Punisher, A Man Named Frank by Bob Larkin. Bob Larkin is second only to Joe Jusko, and I'm pretty sure that you can see why. Holy dog shit, Batman! It's the top 20 best covers! Ha ha! Number 20, Punisher War Journal number 1 by Jim Lee. Now, do I really have to explain to you why this is in my top 20, guys? I don't think so. But there's one thing that I realized while doing this list, and I was looking at this cover, and to me, it is kind of an homage to Superman. You know, the classic Superman where he ripped his shirt off to show his legendary S logo. Well, the Punisher's kind of doing the same thing on this cover, right? This is a job for Punisher! And I don't know if Jim Lee was intentionally doing that, but anyway, hey guys, comment and tell me what you think. Is this an homage to the classic Superman? Number 19. Punisher War Journal number 6, again by Jim Lee. Hey, guys, first time that Wolverine's on the cover of the Punisher War Journal. Classic cover. Amazing cover, actually, by Jim Lee. And you can see the Wolverine's ferocity and his claws and all that. I love it. Just a great cover. Number 18. Punisher War Journal 29 by Michael Golden. Wow. First time that I saw that comic book on the stands, I just couldn't believe it. My jaw dropped. I think it's definitely Michael Golden's best work of all time, guys. Tell me what you think. Number 17. Punisher War Journal number 32 by Bob Larkin. Bob Larkin is near Joe Jusko level, and this is proof of that. Amazing cover. Number 16. Punisher 44 by Andy Kubert. The Flag Burner storyline. I remember reading that way back when. And I just couldn't believe that, people living in the States would be mad enough to burn the US flag. And, 30 odd years later, with everything that happened recently in the States, I think that story is still very relatable, unfortunately. Number 15, Punisher. Number 10 by Wills Portaccio. Classic and best Portaccio Punisher cover, no doubt about it. Punisher going mano a mano against the Daredevil. Hey, classic stuff, man. Beautiful, beautiful cover. Number 14, Punisher number 1 foil edition by Dynamic Forces by artist extraordinaire Steve Dillon. And if you can't see the foil, it doesn't render it justice. Classic Steve Dillon stuff, in your face, right? Clean, simple, and the foil on it just makes it that much better. Number 13, Punisher Magazine number 13 by Bob Larkin. Wow. Fantastic, classic, in your face, Bob Larkin goodness, baby. Wow, look at the detail. Amazing. Number 12, Punisher Magazine number 6 by Joe Jusko. And this is why Jusko is one step above Bob Larkin compared to Punisher Magazine number 13, guys. In your face, Punisher action, ferocity, amazing, amazing details by both artists, but Jusko pushes it even further with that crazy, gloomy skeleton face in the background and the turned over car that the Punisher's standing on. It's just, it makes it just that much better. Number 11, Punisher Warzone miniseries number 2 by Steve Dillon. Ha ha! Oh man, I love that series with Ma Ganucci. It is crazy, over the top, pure Garth Ennis, Steve Dillon goodness. Ha ha! And look at that cover. Bye bye, Ma Ganucci. Here's a grenade for ya. Boom! Ha ha ha! Number 10, Punisher Max 34 by Tim Bradstreet, and the first Barracuda cover out of a few. The only thing that makes it number 10 and not number 5 or 6 is the censored. If we had been able to see his teeth on the cover, I think that cover would be even better. Number 9, Punisher Max 51 by Tim Bradstreet again. What can I say, guys? You see big bad Barracuda, giving a bottle to a little baby and smiling. Holy shit! What the hell's going on? Now that's a cover that grabs your attention. I gotta buy this and read it now. Now, am I the only one who thinks that Michael Clark Duncan looks like Barracuda? I didn't think so. It would have been awesome to see him go one-on-one against Tom Jane as the Punisher. That would have been my dream match. Holy shit. Anyway, he would have been great, and Between you and me, he would have been way, way better as Barracuda than as the Kingpin. Know what I mean? Rest in peace, Mr. Duncan. Number 8. Punisher Max 32 by, you guessed it, Tim Bradstreet. And again, a Barracuda cover. Do I really have to explain why this is my number 8 cover of all time? I didn't think so. Number 7. Punisher 55 by Joe Quesada and Jimmy Palmiotti. Classic stuff. Jigsaw goodness. You see the Punisher's reflection on the knife. It's great. I was looking at it for the list, and I thought, holy shit, man. I have never realized that this cover is Quesada and Palmiotti's homage to Hulk 340, right? Has anyone ever realized that before? Guys, you gotta write down in the comments and tell me what you think. Is this an homage to Hulk 340? I think so. Number 6. Punisher Magazine number 1 by the great Mike Zeck. Oh yeah, baby. What can I say? Mike Zeck, ladies and gentlemen, is just pure Punisher goodness. This is an extremely underrated Punisher cover because it was published for Punisher Magazine and not the regular comic book. Number 5. Return to Big Nothing by none other than Mike Zeck. Oh yeah. 2 in a row for the man. What can I say? A masterpiece again. Powerful, clean, direct, to the point, no bullshit, in your face. Damn near perfection. Top 4, baby. Is your favorite cover on my top 4? Which one's it gonna be? Which cover is gonna be number 1? Huh? Which cover is gonna be number 1? Can you guess? You guessed wrong. Number 4. Punisher Max 31 by Tim Bradstreet. Part of the Barracuda storyline, as you all know. Frank's depiction on this is just amazing. The sharks in the background, perfection. And let's not forget Barracuda looming in the background. Number 3. Punisher Max 46 by Tim Bradstreet again. Now this one, ladies and gentlemen, I think is extremely underrated. Punisher's laying on the ground. Look at that clean skull. The bullets, the colors, the shading, the lighting. Guys, nobody talks about this cover, but seriously, tell me that this is not top 5 material. Oh, man. Wow. Amazing. It's the little details on this cover that makes it so great. Like, on the shelf, you can read the 7.62 caliber Bradstreet arms. That's cool. And you see the blood on the floor. And also, the shells raining down on Frank. That's totally original, never been seen before, and it's a masterpiece, man. Number 2. Punisher miniseries number 1 by Mike Zeck. Yes, this is my number 2 of all time. I know that most of you are going apeshit, are going crazy, but don't get me wrong. This is one of the all-time Punisher cover masterpieces, no doubt about it. Mike Zeck's best, no doubt about it. Classic cover. Everybody knows this cover. There's nothing bad I can say about this cover. It is my number 2 of all time, guys. It is amazing. powerful, in your face. But unfortunately for Mike Zeck, there's a man that's called Joe Jusko. Number 1, Punisher Magazine number 16 by Joe Jusko. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is the best Punisher cover of all time. Joe Jusko art, in your face, clean, and look at those eyes. The little Punisher skull in them. And if it is not your number 1 cover of all time because of Mike Zeck's Punisher number 1 miniseries cover, I understand that. But you will agree with me that it is the most underrated Punisher cover of all time because it was published only for Punisher magazine at the end of the run. So not a lot of copies out there, very hard to find, and basically not a lot of people know about it. And that's it, guys. That was my top 4. You agree? Disagree? Hey, man, write to me. I will answer you. I love all of my fans. I care about you guys. Please click on the like button, subscribe, tell all your friends about me, the freak. Still more to come. And don't forget, guys, as soon as we reach 100 subscribers, this hat, autographed by me, will be shipped to one of you. Until next time, baby. See ya!